Yeah, now starts to take shape. The forks is not in here yet. I have to take off the front wheel to get them individually loose, because it is almost impossible to get them on when the wheel is on. So I have to take off the wheel. Now the engine is in place. It's not. It is. The screws is in the, here. The engine bolts is in there and here, but not under engine. And then, but it starts to become very, very beautiful, very, very fast. And the left filter box is just loose. It's not screwed anything. It's just loose there. But I will of course put it in place. I just missed something between here and there. I don't know where it is. Should be in the garage somewhere. So it starts to become very, very, very beautiful. And the handlebar is going to be there. The brakes here is already oil on, so it's ready to go. But I'm not happy with the color, and it's not original Suzuki. I don't know if I want to use that at all, but the brakes works once this is mounted to the handlebar. A little bit dusty, but we'll just high pressure wash it. And then also the wheels is going to be painted, powder coated in I don't know what color. So but it starts to take shape. The cylinder is very, very nice, and the cylinder head is nice. New radiators, racing radiators, or they are they have a 30% better cooling effect than the originals. So make a little bit noise, not good. They have Airbnb guests. So the rubber for the tank is mounted, the coil is mounted, the carburetor is not mounted, and the swing arm with the back wheel is not mounted. But it starts to take shape. It's very, very, very nice. These engine blocks, I was thinking to paint them, but it's a lot of work. I have to take apart the engine, and it's a lot of work. So I will just let it be like that. But look at this. This is shiny and nice. And here is the oil plug, yellow. It's nice. Holy fuck. This is nice. Wow. It becomes so beautiful. Wow. Holy fuck. So beautiful. I will powder coat the gear handle, or the gear, whatever you call it. That will be sandblasted and powder coated. I'm not happy with the looks. I will paint it in chrome, I guess. I'm not sure. This I painted today. It has a little bit damage, but I don't care. I don't care. I will just use that one till I find a new one. And I powder coated this one today. Become very, very nice and shiny. So I will just leave it like that. And wow. This is just amazing. I'm so happy about this. Holy fuck. I'm so happy. This is just stunningly beautiful. Oh my god. I love it. Oh, fy fan, jag älskar det här. I'm thinking of, I have not mounted the radiators fully yet. Just one screw there and just a screw there, and they are not mounted, and there will be a tubing between here and the other one on the other side. I have not mounted that, but I'm thinking about I'm thinking about maybe have candy red on this one or something. Not sure. Candy red or something, I'm not sure. But I will definitely choose a color for those. I just mounted it just to see how it will be with the aluminium. So I don't know what color should I choose on this one, on both sides. I don't know. Candy red maybe, I don't know. I have candy gold. That maybe be a very good thing to do. Candy gold with chrome, a space color. That will probably be very nice. So, but this is going to be so nice. I'm thinking about taking off this intake and powder coat it in some other color. I have titanium screws here, all over the place, titanium screws. I will replace all these screws with titanium screws as well. I have titanium screws here on the top with titanium pins and titanium washer. I will also put titanium nuts here and studs and everything, but it can wait a little bit. We will see. But it is a lot of titanium screws on this bike already. A lot. These titanium screws for maybe around 1500 Swedish crowns or something, around there. I have titanium bolts here, and there, and here, and here is stainless. I ran out of these screws, so I will have to order more of these screws, and we have screws here and there and all over the place, and everywhere there will be titanium screws. So when I'm done with all the titanium, it will be titanium screws for maybe 3000 crowns on the bike. Whew, well, money flies, but I want this bike to be very special because this bike is going to stay with me for a very long time. So this bike is never going to be sold. Yeah, anyway, this is very nice.